Okay, here's how to install the Canon 10-18 lens on either the SL1, 2, or 3. You'll have the camera body pre-installed. We'll take the 550920 gear sleeve, we'll drop it down into the port base. Take our lens, we're going to find the indexing dot, match it up with the indexing dot on the camera. Guide it in through the friction fit foam pads until we find our bayonet. Click it on. We're going to check to make sure that it zooms. Check that our O-ring is clean and lubricated. Check the sealing surface is clean and lubricated on our 55-16-15 dome port. Guide it on. Make sure that our zoom gear engages. And we're going to tighten down all 3 thumb screws. And there you have it.